I have something very special to show. This is the Benchmade Balisong Model 31. Still has the T-lock. Nice classical piece. Come in closer. I'll show you what it's all about. As I said before, the T-lock on this Benchmade Balisong Model 31 has the pocket clip, which is reversible to either side. The blade is 440C. This is the Model 31, and this is back when they had the word Balisong inside their logo instead of Benchmade, when they were going through all their different name changes. Not 100% sure, but I'd say this is probably mid-90s. Kind of hard to find too much information on it, but it is a wonderful piece. Definitely a Balisong collector's wet dream right here. Still very sharp. The blade sits at about 3 inches closed, 4 inches, making it about 7 inches when it's opened. It's a drop point style blade. It is just a thing of beauty. And I have a problem with putting it down. Would you want to carry it? Because I know I would.